Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here. That was a good one. Sometimes it just sticks just right and it doesn't register until I'm halfway through the intro. I've got another short little unboxing. There's actually quite a bit of stuff here from Artisan Cutlery that I am very excited to share with you guys. I think this is stuff that is available. I think. It depends on when you're watching it. I'll link it right down below so you guys can check. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to Artisan Cutlery for sending this in for me to take a look at. Finally, it took a little bit. Artisan Cutlery was busy, and so was Russell. Shout out to Russell. Nice guy. But I'm happy to reconnect with them and get some new Artisan Cutlery stuff to check out. So anyways, thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. It's hard to keep track of where you are when you keep screwing up your own intro. So we have a couple of larger black boxes and a couple of these white boxes here. I'm going to open up this one first, I think. So, yeah, what do we have here? Here, oh, good. Cards, yes. The 1851P, I don't know. ARRPM 9. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have? What do we have? All right, so I kind of like that blade profile. It's interesting having wood, right? I mean, this is one of those things where if you're a fan of wood, you really like wood. And if you don't like wood, or if you're not a fan of wood, you kind of like really dislike it, right? Maybe they have, the ergonomics on this are wonderful. Look how they do this right here. That's great. I like that. Nice choke up spot on the blade and a little spot, a little notch for your thumb there. That cutting geometry here, this comes down to a freaking crazy thin edge. The whole blade stock is really thin. I kind of like, so the thumb studs remind me of a watch crown, which is kind of neat. Actually, you're able to get some pretty good traction off of that. So that's nice. Nice little inset liner lock. Real nice and thin EDC profile and nice and smooth. Sorry, my finger was in the way. Finger was in the way again, sorry. Like, move your finger, guy. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice titanium milled clip. Wasn't expecting to see that. Not sure about the price point on this. They're using ARRPM 9, which is a good budget powder form steel. This is, of course, proprietary through Artisan Cutlery / CJRB. We have, the liner is steel, and then the clip is absolutely titanium. So probably mid-range. Probably not, it's not like quite up there with their ultra premium, but also definitely not going to be a budget knife, at least, you know, just guessing based on some of their other stuff. We'll put that guy right here. Real curious about this one. It is most likely a fixed blade. Yep. Okay, and what do we have here? What do we got? Model. Yeah, I'm sure these do have names. Why does it say structure bearing liner lock? Is this just inaccurate? I'm not gonna, I mean, it's a fixed blade, so. All right, let's take a look. Oh, are we locked in somehow, or do I just know? Ooh, okay. That's kind of cool looking. I like that. How did we do here on this grind? Right down the middle. Right down the middle on both sides. Ooh. I don't often, you know, kind of get the goosies from a fixed blade. But I do like this. Definitely. That's really cool. Let's take a look here. ARRPM 9 for a fixed blade. This is more of a combat style fixed blade. I mean, you certainly could use it for, you know, utility, day to day, just given the grind, right? Generally speaking, I think that has a very specific purpose, but it is cool. And a nice open profile with, thank goodness, a large enough handle that you can move around. It's always nice to see a good full-size fixed blade, but oftentimes the mistake that's made is when they cut the handle short, right? This is nice. If you have hands that are about the same size as mine, I wear an XL glove, or if your hands are really big, you're still going to be able to get a full purchase on it. And if your hands are smaller, then there you go. You just have more room, right? But this is, yeah, that feels good. This is a good looking fixed blade, and I'm gonna guess it's not horribly expensive. I'll let you guys take a look at the sheath here. It was really packed in there. I mean, yeah. Ooh, yeah, definitely. So there you go. That's pretty cool. I think probably, you know what, along with this guy, we should probably leave them out so that you can see them, right? Probably be better. Okay, let's get into, why'd I save these? Because these are most likely the premium ones. They feel like these are the ones that come in the metal tins. So, what do we have? I do like the metal tins. It's not like you're going to carry that with you, but it's nice, right? First one here. Ah, is this the Ferrum Forge? Yes. How cool. Artisan Cutlery and Ferrum Forge. Oh, very nice, very nice. Absolutely. S35VN, beautiful tumbled finish on this guy. Yeah. So this is nice and clicky. Not that Artisan Cutlery does not do premium stuff. They do, right? They absolutely do. But we're getting all those clicks and clacks and things that, yeah. So this reminds me of, do you guys remember the Archbishop? It was like the wee Ferrum Forge Archbishop, except we have more of a sheep's foot blade. And we've got a little bit more going on here. This is kind of cool how they do, look how they mill that right there. And then it just continues right into the blade. That is pretty cool. What is this? Now, did this come with the little card? Did it say on the outside of the box and I just wasn't paying attention? Well, here's this. I'll make sure that it's linked. I'll make sure it's linked right down in the description. But yeah, I like that one. How's the choil? Ferrum Forge always knows how to do a good choil. They also, the curvature of the flipper tab is also a bit more friendly. Instead of curving this way, like Rekinder, it curves up. So it still doubles as a finger guard. It's just not so obtrusive. The ergonomic lines on this are wonderful. That nice pocket clip there, nice gear pattern backspacer. That is a nice one. That's one of the most intriguing artisan cutleries that I have seen in a bit. Not that they don't make cool stuff. It's just like that one's exceptional. I got a thing with Ferrum Forge. I like their designs. The second one here. What we got? Oh, okay, we got a little titanium and carbon fiber front flipper. Missed it there. Okay, nice and straightforward. Nice, you know. Oh, is this a Dylan Mallory design? Should have guessed. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now that I look at it, it's definitely got Dylan Mallory written all over it. And, you know, nice and like lightweight and compact. In fact, very lightweight and compact. The balance is right there, right behind the pivots. Nice sized opening hole here. Very easy to do the reverse flick. And also, I don't know why I'm missing it off the top. Am I just not laying? Yeah, I'm just not laying my thumb down correctly. Nice blade profile. This is S35VN, which is great. I mean, that's a preferable, one of my most preferred EDC steels for sure. Titanium and shred carbon fiber. Ooh, with some nice milling lines. We can see those diagonal lines going through there. That's really nice. Still, I'm not the biggest fan of them putting Artisan Cutlery on the backspacer, but it's not really hurting anything. Very generic clip. Can't say it goes directly with the design, but it doesn't necessarily oppose the design, right? So yeah, that's a nice one for sure. Okay. Wow. All right. Well, it's nice to finally have some Artisan Cutleries to look. We haven't, I mean, if you look back on my channel, it's been a long time since I have reviewed a brand new Artisan Cutlery. I mean, I have somebody send a prototype button lock here, just a viewer here recently, but it's been a while since I've had some of their new line here. So Yeah, I don't know if the fixed blade will get a full video. It's cool, but I mean, there's not a whole lot to say here. The rest of the knives, though, the folding knives will definitely get their own individual full comprehensive review. So keep in mind what you're watching here today is not a comprehensive review. That would be terrible. But you will get full 15 to 20 minute videos for each knife here in a few weeks, so stay tuned. If you'd like to check them out sooner, I will make sure they are linked right down below one way or another. Thanks again to Artisan Cutlery for sending these in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.